So, what are people talking about if they say a number is a prime number?
A living prime!
And then you've got this other stuff called composite numbers, which really they could just call a non-prime number, but instead somebody wanted to make up a fancy maths word for it. Well, for now you can just forget about all of that, since to understand what any of that means, you've got to understand what a factor is. So take any random number. We'll go with 22. There's going to be a way that you can make this number by multiplying two numbers. The easiest way is just to multiply the number by 1, since you'll always get the number you're looking for.
I know what you're saying. You're so smart.
But usually there's also other ways to get there. So for 22, you could do 11 multiplied by 2 as well. And for 22, that's it. Okay, so these numbers 22, 1, 11, and 2 are all called factors of the number 22. There's two ways you can kind of think about it. You could say that factors is just a list of numbers you can multiply together to equal a number. Or you could think of it as all of these numbers are numbers that you can divide 22 by without getting sucked into the land of decimals and fractions. Either way you want to think about it, you should end up with the same list of factors. Okay, so tell me the factors of the number 12. You'll need more time than I'm going to give you, so just pause the video.
Do it! Do it! Come on! Do it now!
So you should be done, or you're just being lazy and waiting for me to give you the answers. For the number 12, obviously you can multiply 1 and 12, like you can do with everything. Then you know since it's an even number, you're going to be able to divide it by 2, which would be 6. So 2 and 6 are also factors. And then you've also got 3 and 4, which can be multiplied to equal 12. Okay, so ask yourself, can you divide it by anything else without getting a decimal or a fraction?
Never, not in a million years, absolutely not. No way, Jose, no chance, Lance, and yet, negatory, nah,
So then that must be all the factors for 12. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. What about 9?
9, 9, 9, 9. Oh, yes.
As usual, you got 9 and 1. And then you've also got 3 multiplied by 3. So the list of factors would be 9, 1, and 3, as you don't need to write 3 twice. Last one, what about 17? Okay, done. So as usual, we got 1 and 17. Then there's...
Can you see anything?
Nothing. There's nothing.
There's nothing else, just 1 and 17. So what does that mean?
My name is Prime.
And now we've come full circle. A prime number is any number that only has the factor of 1 and itself. So a composite number is just a fancy term for everything that isn't a prime number and has more factors than just 1 and itself.